welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix back your spray nozzle. Especially a man T40 user, you have that kind of issue. The nozzle is coming like this, so most people do the mistake is go and putting, then it damage the hose inside. It get worse, so don't do like this. So just check correctly. Initially, you just hold your nozzle by hand, and only the nuts you can simply tighten it. That's it. So if necessarily, sometimes it might not be fixing back, so we cannot just say it's damaged. So remove, dismantle properly. You need to remove everything, the nozzle completely, and see inside, because the inside the metal shop is from the motor itself. So you need to check. You cannot just replace the metal shop. You have to replace the whole motor if you say the metal shop error. So, but it's really damaged. That's why you need to know how to dismantle. And I will show you a bit quick how to dismantle it. We need the tools, plus this cable and spanners. So for today, we need to remove the full screw and put inside and remove the cables, the hose, everything. So now I will show a bit quick.
Didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours.
Okay, after you remove the screw, just open slowly because it can also damage. So you need to move slowly. Do not damage this valve or do not crack it. We use the spanners. You see here, this come from there, and this is from the hose. So you just remove the other part, this part. Okay. So the first I will remove the plug, so it may make me easier. Gently. There we go. And remove this hose. Okay. And these I only put back here because I will not get lost. This hose nuts. And we can move slowly. Hose. Then you can check here. So now I can say this one is not damaged. Of course mine is not damaged. And you can also check which one, okay? And remember we have one more rubber sealing ring here, okay? So sometimes maybe this rubber sealing ring is not attached properly. You can put it back and attach it, and you can check inside. So any threads damage or not, okay? If you did some raw product, also check your hose. But mine is totally good condition, right? So it not only just does physically, also sometimes it might show you some error because the cable, if it's hanging like this, the cable will be loosened, then you will see some nozzle error. If you check any thread damage, you can order only this part or this one. So just make sure which part is damaged. So do not just say this part or that part, then you order wrong parts. It's wasting your time, wasting your resource and money. Okay.
Remember the days we were young, wild and free, basic getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun.
Now our nozzle is very tight, no more losing, and I hope you will learn how to dismantle into piece and check for damaged parts and how to assemble back. Okay, thanks for watching, and I hope the video helps you guide it for your spray nozzle and T40 or T15 to 20p, any centimeter nozzle. And see you in the next video.